A complete computer guide.
Hi, welcome you all in my channel. As you know, I am Dhananjay. Today I have come with a new topic or fourth video of QBASIC series. In this video, I'll explain about dim statement. Viewers, if you have not seen my videos yet, then please first watch those videos, then only watch this video. Then it will be simple for you to understand. And viewers, in this I will describe everything, every part of computer, every small things of computer, which you cannot get any video or any other place. So you are learning a definition, but simple single word you don't know which is used in that definition. But I will explain here small parts of definition. So please keep watching my channel, and also viewers, hit subscribe button. Is that for you to get my new update of computer technology, and also like and share, and also don't forget to comment here. So here I am just going to first dim statement. What do you mean by dim statement? So you know that in last video that dim statement is used only for variable declaration, in the case of variable declaration, and that is only in explicit declaration, not in implicit declaration. So in explicit declaration, when variable is declared before using the program, that is called explicit declaration, and here dim statement is used just like that. So in practical view, I'll show you in computer screen. So you can see here you can see here the dim statement is just here CLS. Then after that we can write that dim x as integer, dim y as integer. Now put the value of x and y. X equal to 100, y equal to 50. Now z equal to x plus y. Now print z, and here you can write int. The shortcut key of run is F5. So after pressing F5, we get the result, that is 150. Now also I'm going to show you the example of implicit declaration. So implicit declaration is simple, but there is not dim statement. So we can declare the variable in running program. Means within execution time, just you can see here, we can write here the program same like that. But only in this we are not using dim statement. So result is same. For today, this much only. Keep watching my channel. And viewers, thank you for watching my video.